What's up, guys? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we are going to look at the last portion of data science interview questions and answers. So in this video, we will tackle question number 70 up until question 75. So let's get to it. Now, data science interview question number 70. What is a Boltzmann machine and how does it work? Okay guys, so Boltzmann machines use a simple learning technique to uncover interesting characteristics in the training data that indicate complicated regularities. The Boltzmann machine is used to optimize the weights and quantities for a specific task. In networks with several layers of feature detectors, the learning procedure is extremely sluggish. The restricted Boltzmann machine's algorithm is faster than the others just because it contains one layer of feature detectors. Okay guys, so that's a simple explanation of Boltzmann machines. Now, question number 71. What is an auto-encoder and how does it work? So, auto-encoders are simple learning networks whose goal is to convert inputs into outputs with the least amount of error possible. This means we want the result to be as close as feasible to the input. Between the input and the output, we add a couple more layers, each of which is smaller in size than the input layer. Unlabeled input is received by the auto-encoder, which is then encoded to reconstruct the input. Okay guys, so if you look at this image, right, you will see that it just demonstrates or depicts a simple auto-encoder in action. Okay, that's what we have there. Now, question number 72. True or false? The entire area under the standard normal curve is 1 and it is symmetric around 0. So the solution or answer to this problem is true. The normal curve's area under it is 1 and symmetric around 0 according to its description. The average, mean and mode are all 0. The area to the left of the mean is the same as the area to the right. As a result, it is symmetric. So that is something that is pretty commonly asked in data science interviews as far as I know. And to be honest with you, this is another easy question that you should be able to answer, guys. Now, on to question number 73. Identify the type 1 error. A. Arriving at the conclusion that listening to music while studying helps memory, which is correct. B. Assuming that listening to music while studying helps you to remember things when it doesn't. C. Assuming that listening to music while studying improves memory when it actually does. So the solution to this is B. Type 1 error, if you guys recall, it occurs when we reject the null hypothesis even when it is correct. The null hypothesis here is that music has no effect on memory. Type 1 error occurs when we reject it and claim no, in fact, that music does improve memory when it does not. Okay, so that is a simple scenario of the type 1 error. Now, question number 74. True or false? It is impossible for the F statistic to be negative. Now, this is actually true. Okay, when we conduct the ANOVA test on different groups to discover the differences between them, we get the F statistic. The ratio of between group variability to within group variability is used to calculate the F statistic. The formula for F statistic is as follows. The F statistic cannot be negative since it has square terms in both the numerator and the denominator. So that is what we see there, nothing difficult at all. The last question and answer for this tutorial series, guys. What happens when we add extra variables to a linear regression model? A. The R squared value may rise or fall and the corrected R squared value may rise or fall. B. The R squared value can go up or down, but the adjusted R squared value always goes up. C. When new variables are introduced into the model, both R square and adjusted R square always rise. Or D. Depending on the variables introduced, both may increase or decrease. Now, the solution to this question is actually A. You see, because the sum of squared error in ordinary least squares never rises by adding more variables to the model, the R square always grows or at least remains constant. Okay, as a result, the R squared value does not decrease. Is not decreased. The adjusted R squared is a variant of R squared that has been tweaked to account for the number of predictors in the model. Only if the new term improves the model more than would be predicted by only if the new term improves the model more than would be predicted by chance does the adjusted R squared increase. When a predictor improves the model by less than expected by chance, it declines. And as you guys see, we have a formula to calculate R squared. And with that, guys, we have successfully, studied and went through 75 data science interview questions and answers that are commonly asked in your data science interviews. So with that, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for staying till the end of the video. Thanks for using my channel to, upskill yourself and just provide yourself with more knowledge. And good luck with your work, and I will see you in the next YouTube video.